Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun Onam Dal, and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today in our series, Dals of India, and the dal for today, celebrating Onam, Parippu. Let's begin. Well, this dal, the Parippu, is rightly so part of the Onam Sadhya for a simple reason because, of course, there are so many intricate dishes that are part of the Sadhya. There, of course, has to be something as simple as a Parippu as well. Well, Parippu literally translates to dals across states in the south of India, and this one categorically is from homes in Kerala. On that note, let's begin with roasting the dal. Let's begin with pigeon peas, which are also known as arhar ki dal or tur ki dal. And these need to be roasted. Well, a couple of things really make this dal stand out. One is the treatment of the lentil itself. Instead of washing it and then cooking it, we're actually reversing the process. What we are doing is roasting the dal till it turns wonderfully golden brown in color. That's when we will remove it in a bowl, wash it nicely, and then transfer it in the pressure cooker. So that's one. Second is the addition of a coconut paste, which of course we'll come to. And third is that this dal does not use any tempering. This dal instead uses a touch of coconut oil and crushed curry leaves right towards the end. Let's jump in right away. The lentils have roasted beautifully. With this, off goes the flame, and this gets transferred in a bowl. Let's add in some tap water, stir this, and ensure the dal is washed well. Let's drain this off. The dal is roasted, washed, and ready. The next step is to transfer this in the pressure cooker. Add in water, turmeric, salt, and pressure cook this. Let's do that. Turmeric, salt as required, water, and we pressure cook this under 3 whistles on low flame. And with this, off goes the flame. Allow the steam to completely settle down, and after which, we'll open this and check the lentils. Once the lentils become nice and soft, like so, let's whisk it up. Let's now move on to creating a paste using coconut and a couple of more ingredients. Let's do that. Green chilies, depending on the spice that you wish to take. Couple of cloves of garlic. Finally, some untoasted cumin seeds. We cover this and run this into a fine paste. Let's transfer this straight into the dal. Let's turn the flame on and mix the dal well. Once the dal thickens well, I'm going to add in a sprig of curry leaf. Just stir it roughly like so. And along with this, cold pressed coconut oil. A quick stir, and with this, your parippu is done and ready. Off goes the flame. All you now need is a banana leaf, some achar, bananas, lots of applams, some rice, of course some parippu, and amazing friends that come and celebrate with us. On this Onam, make this recipe. Bye for now.